ReQuiz review, graphing square root equations, question number 5. We're going to go ahead and graph y equals 2 times the square root of x plus 3. And if we look at this equation, there's a number in front. That is an a value, so that's going to stretch or shrink the graph. And then there's this h value underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and perform the stretch, and I need the table for the parent function. So that's the value 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 9, 3. And to perform the stretch, I'm going to take the y values and multiply them by the a, which is 2. So 0 times 2 is 0, 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 2 is 6. So these are the points I want to plot first. This would be my stretch. So I'm graphing 2 times the square root of x, and square root of x would be your parent function. So I have 0, 0. I have the point 1, 2. I have the point 4, 4. And I have the point 9, 6. So I have this little graph going on. And then there's this k value inside, which is a plus 3. So you see plus 3 and you think, oh, it's going to go to the right 3, but h is a liar. It's going to go opposite direction. It's going to go left 3. So I take each of these points and move them left 3. So there's our graph. And the question says, graph the square root function and give the max and min values over the given interval. Now they gave us this interval from 1 to 6. So what you do is you just go to your graph. You can do this in two ways. You can go to x equals 1 and go up to your graph and figure out what's the y value at that point. So this would be at y is 1, 2, 3, 4. So y would be 4 when x is 1. And then we go over to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the x, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the y value is 6. And the way the max and min work is that the smallest value is your minimum. So our min would be y equals 4. And your max would be the largest value, and that would be y equals 6. So that's all you have to do. Or you would just take 1, plug it into this equation and calculate, plug in the 6 and calculate. So they're going to give you x's, and you need to find the y value associated with each of those, and that gives you your max and your min.